Greetings to everyone tuning in to House Lux Estate. Welcome to another insightful video to help you grow and better yourself. Here at House Lux, we strive to provide you with valuable content on a plethora of topics, all tailor-made to aid you in your journey of self-improvement and personal growth. Today, we're tackling a topic that's close to everyone's heart as we approach the end of the year: New Year resolutions. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about setting resolutions? Well, resolutions act as a compass guiding us towards our goals. They are the stepping stones that pave our path to success, helping us to focus our efforts and energy in the right direction. They are not just wishes, but commitments we make to ourselves, promoting personal growth and self-improvement. So are you ready to make this new year different? To set resolutions that you can actually achieve? Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of setting achievable New Year resolutions. To set meaningful resolutions, the first step involves a deep dive into self-reflection. Now, self-reflection may sound like a daunting task, but in reality, it's no more than an honest conversation with oneself. It's about taking time to pause, breathe, and look back at the journey you've been on. It's about acknowledging the peaks and valleys, the triumphs and the trials, and the lessons learned along the way. Why is self-reflection so important, you ask? Well, it's simple. It helps us identify our strengths and weaknesses and pinpoint areas where we can improve. When we reflect on our past actions and decisions, we're able to gain a clear understanding of what works for us and what doesn't. This insight is invaluable when it comes to setting resolutions that align with our personal growth and development. Let's say, for instance, that you've noticed a pattern of procrastination in your past year. By reflecting on this, you can identify it as a weakness and set a resolution to improve your time management skills. Or perhaps you've discovered a hidden talent or passion. That's a strength that you can build upon in your upcoming resolutions. Carrying out self-reflection isn't a complex process. It's as simple as sitting down in a quiet space, free of distractions, and thinking about your past year. What were your achievements? What were your disappointments? What lessons have you learned? You might find it helpful to jot down your thoughts as you go along. You see, the beauty of self-reflection lies in its ability to reveal our true selves. It strips away the noise of the world and leaves us with our raw, unfiltered thoughts and feelings. It allows us to see ourselves as we truly are, not as we wish to be or as others perceive us to be. So before you rush into setting your New Year's resolutions, take a moment to reflect. Understand yourself, your journey, and what you truly want from the year ahead. Remember, self-reflection is the foundation of setting resolutions that truly resonate with your personal growth journey. Once you have reflected, it's time to set SMART goals. So what exactly are SMART goals? This acronym stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each of these components plays a vital role in shaping your resolution and propelling you toward success. Let's break it down, shall we? First up, specific. Your goal should be well-defined and clear. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, try, I want to be able to run 5 kilometers in 30 minutes. This gives you a precise target to aim for. Next, we have measurable. You need to be able to track your progress. If your goal is to read more, determine how many books you aim to read each month. This way, you can easily monitor your progress and make adjustments as necessary. On to achievable. Your goal should be challenging, yes, but it also needs to be realistic. If you've never run a day in your life, setting a goal to complete a marathon in 2 months might be setting yourself up for failure. Instead, start with a goal that pushes you but is still within your reach. Relevant is the next component. Your goals should align with your long-term plans and values. If you're passionate about environmental conservation, for instance, a relevant goal could be to reduce your carbon footprint by biking to work 3 days a week. Finally, we have time-bound. Every goal needs a deadline. Without a time frame, there's no sense of urgency, which can lead to procrastination. If your goal is to learn a new language, set a deadline for when you want to be conversational. By using the SMART framework, you're setting yourself up for success. You're not just making vague resolutions. Instead, you're creating a clear, actionable plan. You know exactly what you want to achieve, how you're going to measure your progress, that your goal is achievable and relevant to you, and when you want to achieve it by. SMART goals ensure your resolutions are clear, achievable, and within a realistic time frame. Now that you have your SMART goals, the next step is creating an action plan. An action plan is a roadmap that guides you from where you are now to where you want to be. It's a crucial part of achieving your New Year's resolutions because it breaks down your goals into manageable steps and provides a clear path forward. To start crafting your action plan, begin by setting mini goals. These are smaller, more immediate targets that lead to your larger objective. For instance, if your resolution is to read more, a mini goal could be to finish one book each month. Mini goals make your resolution less daunting and provide a sense of accomplishment along the way. Next, develop a timeline. A timeline gives you a framework to work within and helps keep you on track. Specify when you want to achieve each mini goal and by what date you aim to reach your overall resolution. Remember to make it realistic and flexible to account for life's unpredictability. Once you've got your mini goals and timeline set, identify potential obstacles. These could be anything from lack of time to a lack of resources. Identifying these challenges before they arise gives you the opportunity to plan for them, reducing the risk of them derailing your progress. Finally, create strategies to overcome these obstacles. If time is your challenge, perhaps you could wake up an hour earlier or use your lunch break to work towards your goal. If resources are the issue, research free or low-cost alternatives. The aim is to have a plan B ready for when plan A doesn't work out. Remember, your action plan is not set in stone. It's a living document that evolves with you and your circumstances. It's okay to make changes along the way as long as you keep moving forward. With a clear action plan, you're one step closer to achieving your resolutions. An action plan equips you with the tools and strategies you need to succeed. It's your roadmap to making this year your best one yet. So get planning and let's make those resolutions a reality. Setting resolutions and creating an action plan is only half the battle. The other half is commitment and consistency. This is where the rubber meets the road, where your ideals meet reality, and where the magic truly happens. In this journey of self-improvement, you are the hero, the protagonist, and the changemaker. And just as every hero faces challenges, so will you. But remember, commitment and consistency are the secret weapons that will help you overcome these obstacles and reach your goals. Commitment is your pledge to yourself, your unwavering dedication to your goals. It's like a compass that keeps you oriented towards your true north, no matter how stormy the seas of life may get. Consistency, on the other hand, is your steady pace, your rhythm, your daily dance with discipline. It's not about the speed, but the ability to keep going, step by step, day after day. So how do you stay committed and consistent? Here are a few tips. Firstly, keep track of your progress. Seeing how far you've come can be a powerful motivator to keep going. It's like leaving a trail of breadcrumbs in the forest of self-improvement. When you look back, you see how far you've traveled, how much you've grown, and this gives you the confidence to continue. Secondly, celebrate your small wins. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Don't wait until you've reached your final destination to celebrate. Every tiny triumph is a testament to your commitment and consistency, so honor them. Lastly, maintain a positive mindset. Negativity can be a formidable foe, but positivity is a stronger ally. Stay optimistic, keep faith in yourself, and remember that every day is a new opportunity to grow and improve. In the end, remember that the journey of self-improvement is not a sprint, but a marathon. And like any marathon, it requires commitment and consistency. So lace up your shoes, set your gaze on the finish line, and remember, every step you take is a step closer to your goals. Commitment and consistency are the driving forces behind achieving your New Year resolutions. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've discussed. We've journeyed through the importance of self-reflection, understanding its crucial role in our goal-setting process. We've learned how to set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, which are not just goals, but a roadmap to success. We then delved into creating an action plan, a step-by-step guide to achieving our resolutions. It's a strategic approach that breaks down our resolutions into manageable tasks, making them less overwhelming and more achievable. Finally, we explored the necessity of commitment and consistency. We've understood that setting goals and creating action plans are of little value if we can't stick to them. It's the commitment to our resolutions and the consistency in our efforts that truly bring about change. Thank you for joining House Lux Estate today. Remember, setting resolutions is a powerful tool for personal growth. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos. Happy goal setting!